For months, astronomers believed the object known as 3I, ATLAS would simply pass through our solar system and continue its journey into interstellar space. Initial calculations suggested no threat to any planet, making it another fascinating but temporary visitor from beyond our cosmic neighborhood. Then new observations arrived. Data collected from powerful observatories revealed subtle changes that few expected. The object's path appeared slightly different from earlier predictions, and each new measurement added another layer of mystery. What was once considered a routine flyby suddenly became the focus of intense scientific attention. At first glance, 3I, ATLAS seemed similar to other icy bodies that occasionally enter the inner solar system. It traveled at extraordinary speed, carrying material that likely formed around a distant star. Yet as researchers examined the object more closely, unusual details began to emerge. Its brightness increased in unexpected ways. Streams of gas and dust appeared to expand unevenly around the nucleus. Small shifts in motion hinted that forces beyond simple gravity might be influencing its trajectory. While natural explanations remained possible, the behavior sparked widespread debate among astronomers. Advanced instruments studied the object across multiple wavelengths of light. Spectral signatures revealed complex chemical activity, while high-resolution tracking recorded tiny adjustments in movement. Each discovery raised new questions about the true nature of the visitor. Some researchers suggested that powerful jets of gas could be responsible for the observed changes. As sunlight heated the surface, trapped volatile materials might erupt outward, creating enough force to alter the object's course. Such effects have been observed in comets before, though rarely at the scale some scientists believed they were witnessing. As calculations improved, attention turned toward Mars. Although the chances of an impact remained extremely small, even a distant possibility attracted global interest. Computer simulations explored countless scenarios, examining how minor changes in velocity could influence future positions. Most outcomes showed a safe passage, yet researchers continued monitoring every update with extraordinary precision. The discussion soon expanded beyond orbital mechanics. Scientists began examining what an object of this size and speed could teach us about the origins of planetary systems. Interstellar visitors are incredibly rare, offering valuable clues about regions of the galaxy we cannot directly explore. Meanwhile, public fascination grew rapidly. Online communities proposed theories ranging from undiscovered natural phenomena to advanced extraterrestrial technology. While there is currently no evidence supporting claims of artificial origin, the object's unusual characteristics fueled endless speculation. The excitement intensified when new observations detected materials and chemical compounds rarely associated with ordinary comets. Researchers emphasized that unusual chemistry does not automatically imply intelligent design. Space is filled with surprises, and nature often produces outcomes that seem impossible until they are understood. Yet the mystery remained. Every observation added another piece to a puzzle that was far from complete. Was 3I, ATLAS simply an extraordinary interstellar object displaying uncommon physical behavior? Or was it revealing something about the universe that scientists had never encountered before? As telescopes across Earth and in space continued to follow its journey, one fact became increasingly clear. This object was more than a passing curiosity. It had become a scientific event capable of reshaping our understanding of interstellar visitors and the processes that shape distant worlds. The coming months promised new data, new discoveries, and perhaps entirely new questions. Whatever the final explanation may be, 3I, ATLAS has already reminded humanity that the universe remains filled with mysteries waiting to be explored. Sometimes the most important discoveries are not the answers we find, but the questions we never thought to ask. And somewhere beyond the familiar boundaries of our solar system, the story of this remarkable traveler is still being written. As observations continued, scientists focused on gathering every possible detail before the object moved farther from the inner solar system. Networks of telescopes around the world coordinated their efforts, sharing measurements and comparing results in real time. What they discovered only deepened the mystery. The object's composition appeared unusually complex. Instruments detected a mixture of gases, dust, and organic compounds unlike anything previously recorded from an interstellar visitor. While none of these findings proved anything extraordinary on their own, the combination was enough to keep researchers debating late into the night. Several teams attempted to reconstruct the object's history by tracing its path backward through space. The calculations suggested it had traveled for millions, perhaps billions, of years before entering our region of the galaxy. During that immense journey, it would have passed countless stars, survived cosmic radiation, and endured conditions far more extreme than anything found within our solar system. The possibility that such an object could preserve information about distant planetary systems fascinated scientists. Every molecule, every grain of dust, and every chemical signature represented a clue from a place humanity may never directly visit. At the same time, computer simulations revealed another intriguing possibility. The object's unusual behavior could be explained by hidden structures beneath its surface. Pockets of volatile material trapped deep inside might release energy at irregular intervals, creating temporary bursts that altered its motion. Although entirely natural, such activity would make the object unlike most comets observed before. Public interest reached new heights as media outlets around the world covered every update. Social networks filled with theories, predictions, and speculation. Some imagined secret messages hidden within the object's movements. Others believed it represented evidence of unknown physics waiting to be discovered. Scientists remained cautious. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence, and researchers emphasized that no observation had yet demonstrated anything artificial. Nature is capable of producing astonishing phenomena, often appearing impossible until enough data reveals the underlying process. Still, the object continued to challenge expectations. As it moved closer to the Sun, new measurements showed changes in temperature, brightness, and gas production that did not perfectly match existing models. This forced researchers to revise assumptions and develop new explanations. Far from being frustrating, these surprises represented the essence of scientific discovery. Every unanswered question pushed knowledge forward. Meanwhile, planetary scientists used the opportunity to test advanced tracking systems designed for future planetary defense efforts. Even though the object posed no confirmed danger, monitoring such a fast-moving visitor provided valuable experience for detecting and analyzing potential threats in the future. The event also highlighted how interconnected modern astronomy has become. Observatories operated by different nations worked together, sharing data openly and combining resources to understand a single object traveling through space. In a world often divided by politics and borders, the mystery above united researchers with a common goal. As weeks passed, a clearer picture slowly emerged. The object appeared to be a natural interstellar traveler, yet one possessing characteristics rarely seen before. Its unusual chemistry, unexpected activity, and remarkable speed made it one of the most important astronomical discoveries of recent years. But even as some questions found answers, new mysteries appeared. Where exactly did it originate? What type of star system created it? How many similar objects are crossing the galaxy unseen at this very moment? And what secrets about the formation of planets might they carry? These questions extend far beyond a single object. They touch on humanity's search to understand its place in the cosmos. Every interstellar visitor serves as a messenger from distant regions of space, offering a brief glimpse into environments we can only imagine. Eventually, 3I, ATLAS will continue its journey into the darkness between the stars. Its visit will end, and future generations may never see it again. Yet the knowledge gained from studying it will remain, inspiring new missions, new technologies, and new discoveries. The universe is vast beyond comprehension. Most of it remains unexplored, and countless mysteries are waiting in the depths of space. Objects like 3I, ATLAS remind us that discovery often arrives without warning, appearing suddenly from the darkness and challenging everything we think we know. Perhaps that is the greatest lesson of all. The cosmos is not finished revealing its secrets. Every observation, every mission, and every question brings us one